Okay, this is probably gonna be very close just because I have another perfume bottle holding you up. Still don't have an intro, and I'm looking really bad right now. See my nails, which look even worse. I'm doing some PewDiePie inspired nails. As I do, this is what I'm doing. Don't judge this hand. I did this with the opposite hand, so the lines are kind of weird. But anyways, I'll be doing this today, so stick around if you want to see how I did it. I also thought I could let you know how I'm taking the gel polish off in case you really don't know what to do. I mean, I don't either. There's probably way better ways to do this, like soaking it in acetone and stuff like that, but I hate the smell of acetone. I hate the feeling of it. So what I do is I don't usually put on really thick layers of it. I just put on like 1 or 2 coats and then top coat it. But I go through with my file and it's looking crusty. I go on the more like coarser side and I like rough up the surface like that till you don't see any shine left. And after that I go in with the more finer side and I just keep buffing into it or filing it until it's all gone. To start off, I'm using a base coat, and I'm using the McCart base coat that I got in the pink collection. I'm using this color from the House of Florists collection from McCart, and I'm using dualforms today. I'm dipping a napkin into some rubbing alcohol and wiping down my nails because sometimes there is a sticky layer on top. After putting on a top coat, I'll be using some black acrylic paint to draw the lines on my nails. I'm using a toothpick just because I feel like it worked better than using an actual brush. And if you're worried about making mistakes with the lines, since we put the top coat, we can just easily scratch it off. Here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe if you want. And I hope you guys have an amazing day or night. Yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.